Back, Nathan Adamovich here. This is how, this is not really a good video out there on this. This is, so I got a grease gun, and I'm greasing a lawnmower, and it's stuck on there. See, I can't get it off, so here is the way to do it, and no really any videos on it. You'll need a pair of vice grips and a pair of medium-sized channel locks. So these are kind of small channel locks. Now what you want to do is you want to take your channel locks, you want to get them on the connector. So they're up there, and now right there in the middle it splits. So it splits. So when you get it connected up there, and you take your channel locks, let me try and set this camera up. I hate photography. You want to start cranking it till it comes off. So kind of hard doing this one-handed. Okay, let me get fixed. So we're back, and I've got an actual wrench. This one is 11/16, and we're gonna get this off. So you get it on the connector, and you twist. Like this, so it's coming off. See? So now, because we have this off, loose, it's releasing the pressure, so we can take it off. As you can see, it isn't easy to take off. And it comes off. Like that. That is how you get the connector off if it is stuck. So then you tighten it back up. You just have to do it finger tight that way. And that's how you do it. Goodbye. Subscribe to Colin Adamovich. He does very, very good videos, and he uploads often. So goodbye.